Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy the MC token on Binance Alpha. As you know, the MC just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search the MC. You will find the MC on Alpha. You can click it. And then this is the chart. It's not looking good, but if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. Then you will see 24-hour high, low, and then the volume. Also, you can see the audit here. And if you want to buy it, you can just click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose instant buy or limit order. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.